Hello guys, today ready na kami. So pupunta kami na sa shoot. So we are so excited. So lahat na damit for my client are ready. So yeah, let's go. Hey everyone, tomorrow we have a upcoming photo shoot and I'm super blessed and thankful because at the year of 2026 meron tayong first client, and then this shoot is all about product shoot like bag and sandals. Guys, as a fashion stylist, you have a short checklist for the preparations of your upcoming photo shoots, like understand the brief, prepare outfits, styling kit essentials and fittings, and organize and confirm. Super
Talk to me. Throwing petals like do you love me or not? Head is spinning and it don't.
Ito yung mga nilalagay ko ng mga accessories. Meron. Tsaka meron pa akong another version dito ko. Din nilalagay. So, ang ganda-ganda din yan.
I had authority. I often shared God's Ephesians chapter 6, verses 1 to 3. Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right.
Wanna be friends, skin to skin. I wanna get closer and closer and closer. Talk to me, talk to me. The way you got me all in my head.
Dito na tayo sa shoot. Alisin na natin tong mga suitcase. Ipe-prepare ko na yung yung mga damit. Yung mga accessories andun, no. Yan. Ang ipe-prepare ko na lang is mga accessories. So actually, mabilis lang yung shoot ngayon kasi ang shoot namin is bag lang saka sandal. It's a product shoot. So, diba? Super excited kasi pakita ko sa'yo. Ito ang pinaka-paborito kong i-shoot ngayong araw. Ang ganda niya. Ito. Feeling ko maganda tong i-shoot. Super ganda na ito. Wait lang. Isa na natin. Ready ko yung mga accessories. Although ready na yung mga accessories. Tingnan mo tong accessories na to. Yan. Parang mabilis lang siyang diba? Dapat ganun lang para mabilisan. Actually, 3 lang siya. 3 looks lang yung ipe-prepare namin. Hinihingi ng client. Pero ito kasi yung mga more on minimal lang kasi yung shoot, hindi naman siya editorial shoot. So ito yung mga rings, ito yung mga necklace, ito yung mga earrings. Ito extra lang to, so if in case. Yun guys, so excited. Thank you. Bye bye. Ito mga clip if in case. Thank you.
Scratch!